Hi, how are you? You can see here a nice canvas, and we're going to draw a beautiful girl. Let's outline the first the whole drawing, then we're going to do the details and putting the colors. So this is going to be the the hair. All right. So there's the details. Okay, and putting a flower on the side of her hair. And this is the the tied up part of the back of the hair. There's the decoration and the ornamentation. This is the part of the body, and putting the traditional Indian dress, which is called saree. Okay, and looks good. It's draping on the left side to the below, and the face I'm going to draw just partially visible from the back side. You can see just few here. Okay, and this is the shoulder, and she is wearing a blouse which is full sleeve. Okay, that's the right hand. The left hand is inside that clothing portions. Okay, all right, just drawing the fingers, which is just resting on a railing on the side. You can see I'm just drawing right now the vertical elements of the railing. Okay, so for the saree she is wearing, first I'm going to complete the blouse and putting some outlines for the saree. Okay, and it's on the side. All right, so that's the usual drawing. And for the background color, we're just putting the crayon color on the top side. Okay, on the side too. Here, so there's the usual blue color, and the crayon color, we can just mix it up with our fingertips, the whole environment using the fingertips. You can see sometimes you can also use the blending stump. Okay, just rotating, I'm rotating the canvas a little bit. Sorry, the frame is moving. No problem, just completing the drawing nicely. So you can see a nice blue appearance within the drawing. Now putting the black color for her hair. Okay, putting the pencil color so that it looks amazing. And the flowers, you can see it's like a red color. Let's put the red color for the flower here. And the body, it's going to be the orange color, so that's why I'm putting the orange color on the side. Okay, let's put the orange color for the body, and this is the hands, you can see. Okay, for the blouse we are going to put the the usual color. Okay, purple for the traditional dress here. Okay, so putting the purple color for the whole body. All right, so on the left side we are just putting the shades. On the right side it's getting lighter, the darker shades on the left side, you can see. Okay, and the nice color which is similar to the rose. Okay, the pink color just putting on the, you know, the contours of the dresses. Okay, so usually these are the wrinkles. Wrinkles, just putting deep color according to the borders. Okay, and other soft lighter colors, just put it on the side. Okay, so here again just putting few soft colors on the side. All right, let's put the fingertips and just match the whole color within the whole drawing. All right, and you know, the railing, it's going to be the black again. Okay, so just she's putting or holding the railing with her right hand. Okay, this is how the drawing is complete. So very simple drawing, do practice at home, and everything is going to be nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.